Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishan Farooq and you are watching Tech Stack. Today we are going to learn about how to download and install AnyDesk software. Before downloading and installing it, let me tell you what is this. It's a very small software but very useful. We use this software to get the remote access of any PC present anywhere in the world. So just open the link that I have given in the description. It is a very small software. As you can see, it's 3.7 MB, so just click on standard download. It will take a small time to download it. I'm going to wait patiently for this. Okay, so let it complete. So here you can see it is completed. Just open it. Here you can see it is open. I want to install it. Click on install and AnyDesk on this device. I don't want an auto update, so I am going to disable the auto updates, and I don't want AnyDesk printer. That's all. So click on accept and install. Yes. So okay, click on get started. So here you have this address. You can give this address to anyone else who want to get the access of your computer. So that's it. It is very easy to use. So I'm going to close it. So let me tell you how you can get the access of any other's computer with the help of AnyDesk. So one second, just open it, click on invite, and here you can write the address, AnyDesk address of that person, and you can select what type of access you want. You want to screen sharing or full access or whatever you want. You will type the address here and you will invite that person. When that person will accept, you will have the access of that person's computer. Similarly, if someone wants your computer access, you will give this address to that person. Thank you very much. That's very easy and very useful. Hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.